Good morning. Today we'll be talking about subtraction. Remember, yesterday we learned about subtraction. We also talked about rule one. Remember that the rule one, we said we can have a number like this, like 2, okay, minus, then a box is equal to 4, okay. That this is what we did yesterday. That is rule one. The box is always here. That's the second on the second. It's always at the second part. Okay. So when you want to get the missing box, you have to do 4 - 2. So you count 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. You remove 2, 1, 2. Then you count the remaining 1, 2. So that means the missing box is 2. Okay? So that is rule 1. The box is always, this is 1. There's a number in front of the box. This is 2. So the box is always the second thing to write before the answer. So the rule 2 is different because the box is the first thing you will see. So when you see the box first, like this, there's a box. When an empty box is given, minus a number like you can have 10 before the answer is equal to 12. 12 is the answer. How are you going to get this empty box? You are going to get this empty box by adding the answer with the given number to get the answer. So you add these two numbers together to get the missing number in the box. That's how to do it when you have the empty box in front. That means it is the first thing you will see before the numbers. So what you have to do, like I said, is that you're going to add the numbers, answers given together. So that means since these are two numbers, you are going to use your tens and units. So you have your tens, you have your units, then you have 12, then you have 10. So after that, remember that you are adding together. Okay, so 2 plus 0, count 2, 1, 2, 0 means nothing, count the remaining 1, 2. We have 2. 1 plus 1, 1 stroke here, 1 stroke here, count the 2 together, 1, 2. 2, that means you have 22. So the answer is 22, then you put 22 in the box. Very simple. Now let's look at the second example. You can see that the empty box is in front. So when the empty box is in front, you know that you are adding the two numbers that is being given. Okay, so that means we are adding 5. This is actually the question. Empty box minus 5 is equal to 7. So that means we are adding 5 and 7 together. Okay? So we have 5. We count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We count 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The reason why I'm counting these numbers and the reason why I didn't use tens and units because these are single numbers. Okay? So let's add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. So that means the answer in the box is 12. Yes, that's how to get it. So the other example, let's see. We have an empty box like this. Minus, we have 25. We have is equal to 10. 10. Because the empty box is the first thing you can see and is in front. It's the first thing that you have to add the two numbers together. So that means you're adding 25 and 10. Remember, since these are two numbers, 1, 2, 1, 2, you are using your tens and units. So you write your 25, then you write your 10. Remember to put your addition sign. So 5 plus 0 is what? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 means nothing. Count the remaining 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have 5. 2 plus 1 is what? Let's count 2. 1, 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. We have 3. That is 35. That means the answer in the box is going to be 35. 5. Okay, just like we have it here. So another example is you can have a word like, an equation like this: an empty box minus 6 is equal to 11. Because the empty box is in front, you have to add these two numbers together. So that means you are adding 6 plus 11. Okay? Count 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Count 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So how do you do that? How do you get the number in the missing box? The box, how do you get the missing number in the box? You count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. That means the answer is 17. The answer in the box is 17. 17. Okay, so let's look at the last question. We have an empty box minus we have 4 is equal to 6. Okay, so we can have, since the empty box is in front, you should know that you are adding these two numbers together. Okay, so you're adding 4 plus 6. Okay, count 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. That means 10 minus 6 minus 4 is equal to 6. Okay? And that means 17 minus 6 is equal to 11. And this means 35 minus 25 is equal to 10. 12 minus 5 is equal to 7. 22 minus 10 is equal to 12. If you have any question, please send them through the comment box.